What's up YouTube, how you doing? In this video I will show you how to change your font style in the bio. So hit edit profile and then want to copy this text. Alright, and then we will go directly to the browser and write coolsymbol.com. So in this page, if you see this fancy text, hit it. And then as it said, just input your text here, paste it, and as you see, this is all the fonts that are available. Actually, there's plenty of them. Alright, so in my opinion, I like this one. So just hit copy this style and then copy. So just go back to Instagram and then paste it here.